So hello guys, today I'm at the beach again. Today we're gonna fish for maybe at least 1 hour, and let's see what we can catch because the weather right now is quite hard. The wind is fast, the tides are big, and it's a little bit low tide. I know it's going to high tide I think, but let's try what we can catch for today. Alright, so today we're going to use this redhead ghost shrimp lure, and let's see what we can catch on this bad weather. So I've been trying to fish on the spot that I choose for a few minutes, and it's really getting harder and harder to throw the lure on that side. So I'll try to change place and try to find a better spot, because as you can see, there's a lot of seagulls in it now. Seaweed, I mean. So I'll try to catch where the wave is a little bit more controlled. I hope I can find a spot like that. So I decided to go on this place. This is a little bit much more controlled. The wave on this side is not really that strong, and the wind is also blocked by this I don't know what this spot, this place is called, but I know that it's like rocks and dirt in it, but I don't know. There's something, there's something, I don't know what's this called. So but by the way, so yeah, I'm gonna try on this side, and the water on this side is a little bit murky. I think it's because of the sun, because of the waves getting on the sand, but I will try to catch fish in this area. Oh, I just see a big turtle on that side. It's huge. So it's really hard for the bait to swim because there's a lot of seaweeds that's going on the hooks, and it won't really swim as good as before when it's in. But we'll try to catch some more. If we can't catch anything, we'll just go home then. Magukulog ka. Careful kid. So that's it for today, guys. I think I need to go home because the weather is getting to get worse, and the tide is coming up, and it's quite almost and it's quite hard to go on the rocks right now. As you can see, the waves is really crashing on. It may seems look calm on the camera, but if you're here, like, oh, slide. It's really hard to throw the lure, to cast. The wind is eating the line, and there's a lot of seaweed in the sea right now. So let's call it for a day. And so yeah, thank you for watching my videos, and see you next time when we go to the sea and catch some fish again. So please subscribe to my channel, and that's it for today, guys. Bye bye.